Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about filter delay. Filter delay is simply a broken down delay effect, each one with its own band. So let's see how it works. We have these 3 rows and each row is a channel. Left channel, R channel and L plus R channel. Left, right, and left and right, and for each one of them we have a on button for the filter, then we have a on button for the whole channel. We can see lighting up if we turn it up. We have the filter selection, we also have the Q, then we have delay time as any delay. Then we have sync or time switch, and the same goes for the other two. We have feedback, we have pan, which I know it might be sounds weird because this is the left channel, it should sound on the left. No, it's the input channel, so we can take the input channel, delay it and slap it to the right. And then we have the volume, so let's see how it sounds. So it sounds like a fucking mess. Okay, so let's start with the left channel. You can hear the thing coming from the left and going back to the right, delayed. If we turn down the volume, this is just not going. It's going, but we can't hear it. If we disable it, it's not working at all. So we can just keep it at infinite, minus infinite, and then bring it back, and it's still working in background. So the same thing goes for left and right, and for the right channel, and then we have just a dry thing which works like this. We are just listening to the delayed channel. So let's put it like this. Okay, there wasn't anything at the beginning because they were all delayed by 3, 4 and 16. So it starts delayed. If we turn it up, we can hear also dry. So this is a different approach to dry wet. There's not a real dry wet. We have independent volumes for any kind of signal. So this is it, and see you in the next video.